director comes up with the visual presentation for the broadcast. If you see it in your mind, you can create that. That's really what we do. We take that concept and we make it a reality, and then we present it to the audience. Right now we're going to go to the studio for All In. This is Eddie, he's the stage manager.
How you doing?
He knows this floor better than I do. So we're going to have Chris standing up in the A block. We'll do our open on the archway here, then the camera will pivot. Chris will do his read with a graphic behind him. If you look down, you see where it says Hayes stand up? Okay, that's a mark for Chris. All the positions here have been looked at, blocked out, lit. Chris's home base set is here. We'll have a guest here on this side. All right, we're gonna head to the control room now. Hey guys, how are you? VQW, roll X. I'm checking to make sure that the video that I'm looking at matches what's here. Looks to me like we're pretty much good with our elements. VOs are good, so we're set. So now all we need is our host. All right, Chris, stand by, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Starts right now.
Trigger track. Track Chris, start your push, and cue.
Good evening from New York, I'm Chris Hayes. Today,
I'm very proud of the team of people I work with. I am happiest when I'm in the control room working with those group of people. Every day I leave here, I did something. I created something. I can show you something that me and my team created. Not many people can do that. That's pretty cool.